We're here at Arimba installing a solar power system and batteries. The solar system we believe will generate around about 60 kilowatts per day on average. Today, being winter, it's going to be generating around 40 to 50 kilowatts, and about half of that's going to go into the batteries ready for usage tonight, and the other half is going to be used by the home during the day. The main thing was to be able to power up the home during the day, to be able to offset the pool pumps, to be able to offset air conditioning, offset general home usage during the day, and the leftover that was normally exported to the grid, the owners wanted to capture that energy and store their own solar production and put it into the batteries for usage in the night time. So pretty much wanting to go 100% self-usage by storing their own power and using it in the evening. Yeah, this home's using around about the 60 to 70 kilowatts per day. So we're trying to see if we can offset the same amount by generating that from the solar power and storing the excess in the batteries. Having your essential services backed up in the event of a blackout was an important deciding factor here. Because this house runs on a water pump, to be able to flush toilets and to be able to have hot water and clean drinking water, having power available in the event of a blackout by using that from the stored energy from the Teslas was a deciding factor. They wanted long-term performance, high output, excellent longevity. This installation is going to be generating power for decades to come.